we used to have courses called as converter, design of converter only. Converter is a common name which is capable of converting AC to DC or a DC to AC. For both of them, the same name only. Or otherwise, if you want to use specifically, you will use the word rectifier and inverter. Rectifier will convert AC to DC, and inverter will convert DC to AC. You see the input. Coming to the input, based upon your available solar panel. If you have only 12 volt solar panel, go for 12 volt inverter. If you have 24 volt outputs connecting two in series, you will get 24 outputs. If you connect 12 volts in series, you will get 48 outputs, 48 volts. If you connect 10 in series, you will get 120 volts. So based upon your solar panel configuration, that assembly, row columns, number of rows, number of columns, you are deciding the number of rows, how many connected in series decides the voltage. Say if each are capable of giving 2 volts, if you connect 6 in series, it will be a 12 volt set. If you connect 12 in series, 12 by 2, 24 volts. So based upon how many rows, you will decide the voltage. According to your power requirement, you will decide the number of columns. So number of rows based on voltage, number of columns based on your power requirement. So you will have a system with either 12 volts, 24 volts, 48 volts or 120 volts. DC. So no frequency. Well, sir, கொஞ்சம் mute பண்ணுங்க உங்க.
Oh, yes, doctor.
Okay. This is your input voltage and power you might have decided. Yesterday we designed instantaneously how much power needed for a house. Yesterday we calculated for a single refrigerator, single air conditioner, 5 bulbs, fans like that, audio system, TV like that. So power will decide the number of panels needed. Okay, that is done. No frequency since it is DC. Coming to output, as I told you, all these materials we collected from Indian websites. So the output in India, this is the standard rating: 230 volts, 50 hertz system. No issue. All the electrical items that we have brought from India, all our oven, mixer grinders, wet grinder, what I'm using in home, all these things we purchase from India. Indian rating 230 volts, 50 hertz. Luckily, we are neighboring countries and close friends. All the equipment procured in Oman, it is directly we are using in India, and all the items purchased in India we are using in Oman. Because a small difference between us is just 10 volts. Difference between India and Muscat is Oman is only 10 volts. Yours is 240 volts, ours is 230 volts. No issue. An equipment designed for 240 volts in Oman can be used in India at 230 volts. An equipment designed in India for 230 volts, if I use at 240 volts here, no issue, no big issue. Just 10 volts deviation, either plus or minus, is not creating anything big. And what is the role of inverter? You see, today full day you are not at home, your solar panels work, and all the light energy, heat energy converted to electrical energy is stored in your battery. Okay, fine. And today evening you have to extract the maximum power. Today during while storing the power, it should extract maximum power from the solar panel. That is one thing. And it should manage the battery. 1 minute. And the important work is it should convert the DC power stored in the battery into AC power, alternating direct current electricity into alternating current electricity. See this is a standalone inverters. Standalone inverter off grid means this is nowhere connected to the electrical grid. You have solar panels. See my cursor. I can move only my cursor. Solar panels, and those solar panels are giving to your solar photovoltaic combining box, because all the mini panels will be feeding a combiner box, and from there the collected DC input is given to your inverter. Inverter will convert this DC 12 volt DC into 240 volts 50 hertz AC as per Oman requirement. You see here, this is pump, this is motor, and this is lighting load. We can switch on the AC loads during the daytime itself. If you have battery means, you can use it in night time also. Next one, this is a grid tie inverter, 600 watts, very low power rating. Just to show you it. Hybrid inverter. You see, to this inverter, 5 kilowatt inverter, you will get supply from both 120 volts, 120 volts to 500 volts DC. Many combinations in this series parallel as per the area of your top floor, your rooftop area. Based on that, you will plan your panels. There will be a lot of constraints we will face. Just telling that we will design a panel, not a simple thing. Your house may be 20 meters by 18 meters. So in series parallel assemblies, we will plan, we will design accordingly. And that is DC input coming here. And the other one is from the alternator or from power grid. This drawn here is three-phase tertiary distribution, dead end distribution. From here AC may come. So whether DC comes from panel or AC comes from the distribution box, you go for a setup which will, if DC is coming, it will automatically give the DC. If AC is coming, that AC will be converted to DC and that will be used to charge your battery. Okay, battery is completely charged and by the time no loading is done. Now, if battery is fully charged, evening when you are switching it on, sometimes if needed, there will be some tripping mechanism also. If you want, you can take power from electricity. And if you want, if there is no electricity power, if some issues there, some problem in your MEDC, by the time power from your battery will be converted to AC and that will be used to feed your house loads, domestic loads, home appliances. Such an mechanism, such a type is called hybrid inverter. This is called as hybrid inverter. Third one is particularly for water pumping inverter. This we discussed earlier. To decorate the house, when you have your tank below the ground level, you will throw the pump inside the water. Such pumps which is thrown inside water is called submersible pump. It is submerged below the water level. That is why you see here you have a solar panel which produces DC, and that DC is given to this inverter. Inverter will convert it into three-phase AC power. You know, this submersible pump what we are designing, they will be all three-phase power. They will be used for providing irrigation, water pumping to acres of land, not a small piece of land or to our house, for acres. So we go in for three-phase. This is three-phase inverter. Not so far for house and all, you can use single-phase inverter, because in house all your wet grinders, dishwasher, your TV, audio system, lighting, fan, air conditioner, refrigerator, everything single phase. So that is enough. Whereas when you come to the work of process of watering huge acres of land, you'll go for high power rating submersible pumps. Very high power rating means naturally you'll go for three-phase AC power. There are some charge controllers, pulse width modulation based solar charge controller, maximum power point tracking based charge controllers. So coming to this one, applications of solar systems, solar power system. For plantation, this is the primary work. If you want for industries, you can have, but coming to industries, more induction motors means this will not that suit you that much. We need a lot of capacitors, banks like that. Bird nesting house for domestic applications. Aquaculture, where you grow small fishes, squids like that. That's called aquaculture. And off-grid areas. This is more important. You think farmhouses or some resorts which is far away from the city, where there is no electric supply, or a small village which is far away from the city. In between the city and this place, a lot of mountains, in between sea coming means you cannot just easily transmit power through over a transmission line, or laying cables will be too costly in that case. But it is the duty of the government to provide electricity to all the public, all the people of the nation. So in that case, government itself will decide. We will go for a solar farm like this much big solar farm, which is capable of feeding this much area, this many houses. Off-grid area will be supplied by this solar farm. Anywhere you can use for shops, office. So coming to the design of off-grid solar system, solar panel, it will control the charge controller, and that will be charging your batteries, and from your batteries When this is working, it will charge the battery during daytime. During usage time from the battery, it will be converted. It will be given to your inverter, which is converted to AC, and that will be used. And you see all this backup. If sometimes some problem in the solar panel, some link fuse blows, problem in the charge controller, it is time. The battery life will be very, very less. To my knowledge, in my house and all, the battery will not exist for more than 2 years. Even if you pour distilled water for every 3-4 months, call them for maintenance, the life of the battery is maximum 2 to 3 years, not more than that. I told you yesterday, cost of the battery will be each battery 60 OMR, 12,000 rupees in Indian rupees, 60 OMR in Omani Real, 60 OMR, but its life is only 2 years, just like your car battery, maximum 2 years, 2.5 years. So if it's issue with battery, this network will not at all work. So in that case, if you are rich enough, you can go for one silent power. Many leading Caterpillar, many manufacturers are there for 3-phase generators. You can purchase and keep that as optional. Sometimes when your solar panels, charge controller, battery, inverter, 4 components there. 1 panel, 2 charge controller, 3 battery, 4 inverter. If this system, any of these 4 fails, this is not reliable. In that case, you can switch on your Caterpillar. Caterpillar is very costly. Silent power, Caterpillar are very costly alternatives. If you want, you can go for it. So we have given a word optional. If you want, you can use it. So this is what we did yesterday with a house air conditioner, lamps, refrigerator, TV. What is the instant load? What is the total day load? Okay. I hope this is enough for you to go ahead with the design. Velu sir, can you start? Are you ready?
Yes, doctor. Thank you.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we will discuss about the standalone. Okay, standalone system. Standalone system. First, using PV Syst software. Huh? Anybody download the software? Anyone? Send message. If you download, no problem. You can, based on my instruction, you can follow. If you not download also, you can listen carefully because it's very interesting one. Design a solar panels. Design a solar panel for our own home system or own farm. Okay, standalone system. Okay. Otherwise, no problem. That in future, no, whenever you have really interest in solar, you will download the software. This is 1 month trial package. This is 1 month only valid. You can use the software. Learn if you really learn the software. After that, you can purchase also in future. No problem. If you interest, you can purchase. Otherwise, first you download and practice in future. Okay. Now I will open the software. This PV Syst 7 already downloaded in my system. PV Syst 7. Standalone system. Actually, we are planning the standalone system. So every slides, every day, what we are taught, what you are teach, that already uploaded in your group. Okay, really
Chat,
have interest
chat.
in. Yes, in the group already is available.
Velu
In the
sir, பெருசு
team.
பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பெருசு பண்ணிக்கோங்க screen.
இல்ல that இது வந்து just I will show
Okay,
only,
okay.
but explain in there only. So
Okay, okay.
this is easy for me. Okay. So already Dr. Kirti explained about the design. Okay, this is the design. No, we come to the design area. So design steps a solar PV system for your home. Okay, as well as farm. Design is separate solar system. How to design using this PV Syst software? First, calculate the energy consuming of application. So each and every home, how much energy consumed per day? Okay, what are the lamps, AC, that you are using? Similar, we calculate the power consumption first. Next, calculate the inverter sizing. If you give these details, automatically it will calculate, the software will calculate how much energy you need per year, how much size of inverter you need, how much size of battery you need. This all details will be shown. Okay, this much size, this much inverter you need, this much battery sizing you need. Okay, like that it automatically show the ratings, how much value you need, all the value will be show. Based on that, we will choose the battery. That battery also, battery as well as inverter, we will choose the brands and the design. Okay, now we go to the software. Okay, already told, no, we choose the PV similar PV model, how much solar power we need. Based on that, we are choosing the panels. Automatically they show this much panel need for this much power consumption. This and all automatically showing. Here Dr. Kirti explained about the manual calculations. Okay, now in the software it will calculate automatically. Just show the report. Automatically you will get a final report, like your final project report. No, similar, based on your interest, you design. Based on your requirement, you design. Automatically you will get a report, final report in this software. Okay, just listen. Anybody already downloaded? Just you follow the instruction. Slowly I will explain one by one. Okay, now we go to software. Already told, no, my software is still 9 days only pending, because 30 days, no, close. Okay, so if you open the software, it will becomes like this. Okay, it will becomes like this: file, preliminary design, project, setting, language, license, help. Okay, so here project design and simulation, we have three concepts. Already told, no, we are using this software for three concepts: grid connected, standalone, pumping. So standalone, now we are discussing, for our home or farm. Grid connected, to connect to the grid. Okay, really how huge money, just you invest a plant. After that, you give the supply, you give the power supply to the government. Okay, so this is grid connected. Next, pumping, we have the farm, small farm, to pump the water. How much area of based on our area, based on the depth of the water. Okay, water level, based on depth of the water level, we will design a pumping also. Okay, these three design is possible. We actually, I'm planning to explain standalone and pumping. Okay, based on your interest, we will discuss the grid connector also. Okay, so next, first we choose the, yes, standalone. No, just click the standalone. Click the standalone. Click the standalone. Okay, give the new file. Open the new file, new project. I open new project for Muscat. Okay, we plan for Muscat. Muscat, the standalone project we are planning. Okay, next, another one advantage for this software, no, which place we want to design a software. Directly we can go through the geographical site. We can take it. Okay, Metro database. Click here, this Metro database. Okay, if you want, here it will become, that is geographical sites. Actually, you want to design in Muscat, you want to design in India, you want to design in US, you want to design in Italy, you want to design in Switzerland, any place. Which place you want to design, directly we go to that place. We can choose that particular place. We will get a data, maybe last 5 years, 10 years data, how much solar radiation there. Okay, so all details based on the solar radiation, we will obtain all the data. That purpose we are using the geographical values. So we want Oman now. So just we go to click new site we want. Just click. So go to geographical. After that, click new sites. If we click the new site, interactive map, automatically go for the map. Okay, we go for the Oman map. Go for the Oman map. Okay, based on, you see the map, based on that language, based on the language that each and every place, based on the language, it will be changed. Okay, so now we go to Oman. Okay, Oman, particular place. So this and all, in our place, no. So you can choose any one particular place. You can choose. Okay, just to choose. If you choose, that the entire place will become. This maybe I don't know that exactly this place name, but you are familiar with all the place. So which place you want? Just select automatically. The name will become. How much altitude, that latitude, all the geographical data will be shown. Okay, just select one particular place. Okay, select one particular place. Now Hayal Al Hatan. Okay, so some places are coming. So accept selected point. Any point you can choose. Okay, if you select this place, after that we want to know about the sun path. This particular place, no, what is the sun path is there. Okay, so this is a sun path. The meaning nothing but this is sun path for July. For June, 1 minute is. மேம் சொல்லுங்க மேடம். எனக்கு கிளாஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஓஜிடி நான் முடிச்சோடனே கூப்பிட்டா உங்களுக்கு என்ன மேடம்? சனத் ஆஃபீஸ்னு நம்ம இங்கே இருக்கல மேம், பக்கத்தில் அல்கோயர் பக்கத்தில். பாஸ்போர்ட் மட்டும் என்ன பிரச்சனைன்னு தெரியலையே மேம், பார்த்தா தானே தெரியும். Doctor, sorry for inconvenience. Hello?
No issue,
Hello,
Vilunda.
doctor.
No issue. Go ahead. Attendance மட்டும் ஒரு தடவை எடுத்துருங்க. Why only 25? I will call the remaining. You carry on with the class. Carry on.
Okay. So this entire day, no, for example, June, May and July, April and August, March and September. This place you see here, this place is no for one means indicate for this place here. June, May and all, that temperature is more. Okay, but you see the December 7th, December and all, temperature is very low. So based on the Oman data, this is real exact Oman data, it will be show the radiations value. Okay. So after that, this data we take from import. Okay, import. So the meaning last 10 year, based on last 10 years data, it will be designed. Okay, just click the import. Okay, so if you click the import, so what is the in January to December, no? So based on analysis of last 10 year data, they will show the data here January, February to December. What is the horizontal radiations and horizontal diffuse radiation, temperature in each every month, wind velocity, or relative humidity. So all the value will be obtained in that particular place. Okay, so we are choosing this one. No? Next we go to, just click OK. Finish this one, click OK. Save this place, save. Actually, yes, click OK. Yes. Okay. Save. Okay. Okay, now we are using this Hayal Al Haitan. Okay. So that's why that place is we choose. Click OK. Back to the project area. Back to the project area. Exactly which place you are choosing, it will be shown. Okay. So this place only we are planning to install the standalone solar panel, solar system. Okay. So now we just save. Okay. Next, this is taken, this place is taken. Next, the orientation is not defined. So now we go for the orientation. Okay, now go for the orientation. Just click orientation. Okay, orientation nothing but already Dr. Kirti explained yesterday about the plant tilt. Okay, how much the solar panel, no, the tilt size. Okay, if you want that 30, they are giving randomly. Just you want to increase or decrease, just that you can decrease your tilt angle. Okay, tilt angle you can increase. Okay, so already we fix, first we fix the place, next we tilt the angle. Okay, which angle you want, you can tilt it. Orientation, now you see orientation finished. Next, user needs. Now we go for the energy consumption. So in your home, already told, no, this is standalone system. We are planning to design in our own home, our own farm. Okay, so how many lamps you are using in your home, how many lamps you are using, how many TV mobile you are using, domestic application you are using. For example, we are using 10 lamps. So these are all your choice only. 10 lamps we are using. Normally each lamp, you know, maybe some lamps are 60 watts, some lamps are 100 watts, some lamps are, nowadays lot of LED, LCD lamps are coming, no? So 10 watts, 20 watts, lot of lamps are there. So, okay, just average we give, that's why average we have, normally we are using in our home, no? Around 20 to 50 lamps normally. So average we are taking around 10, 60 watts, like that you are taking. How many daily, how much you use? For example, per hour, you are using maybe 6 hours, we assume 6 hours. Okay, it will be, so totally you are using this much watt hour for due to the lamp. Next we go for the TV. TV, for example, TV, PC, mobile. We have TV, PC, mobile. Approximately I am using 2. Okay, power normally TV and all, the power is load condition. Already before that we know how much power. So you check the internet also, is there fridge, how many kilowatts per day? Normally 100 to 250 watts in the, sorry, this is a fridge, okay. Television, how much? Based on the inches it will be changed. LCD means 60 watts, 42 inches 120 watts, 50 inches 150 watts. LED means this is the power consuming. Next, this is all also, just I recall it. Next, how much we are using for cloth washer? Okay, how much use for washing machine? So normally 255 to 300. Air conditioner around 318 watts. Okay, as well as if you see the nameplate details also, it will be there. Okay, so just check the net. If you have any doubts in that power consumption, just check the net. Otherwise, see the instruction of that particular product. You can note it. Okay. So next, this is TV, PC. You know how much power they are consuming. TV, PC. So normally TV and all we consider yes, or 100. Randomly we are using 100 watts per hour. 2 applications we are using. Okay. TV and all, how many hours? Maybe nowadays TV and all, no, around 5 to 10 hours, not TV. Particularly PC, mobile and all we are using around 12 hours to 18 hours nowadays. But we consider normally around 6 hours. 6 hours for 2 component. Okay. So this and all, your based on your requirement you can design. Okay. Next, domestic application. Here I consider the air condition. Instead of air condition, I'm using this air condition. No, domestic application I'm using. Instead of domestic application, air condition. If you want to change the name also air condition. Air conditions probably minimum 3 AC. For example, 3 AC mean normally 1 AC it will be comes around 300 watts per application. So every normally AC and all, no, you know, particularly in Muscat, we are using AC continuously. So we go around 10 hours, 10 hours per day. Okay, averagely. Next, fridge one. Normally fridge and deep this one, no. Kilowatts hour per day. Okay, normally 200 watts. Normally the fridge 200 watts. So the kilowatts they are giving. So that's why we are putting 0.22. Okay, kilowatts per 20 hours. Normally fridge and all, no. 24 hours continuously is running. That's why we are using. Next, dishwasher. The dishwasher is there. You can use this one. How much watt average dish and cloth washer? Okay, normally the dishwasher is around 250 watts. These are all based on our search data in the based on our application watts. I give it. maybe it will be changed, maybe 200, 300, maybe it will be changed. If you want accurate data, search the proper applications and give the accurate values. Okay. So dishwasher, no, normally dishwasher, maybe 2 days once we are using, otherwise sometimes daily, maybe that daily 1 hour using. Okay. I averagely per day I'm using for 0.5 or 1 hour. 0.5 hours. Okay. Next, any other uses, any other uses other than this iron box, oven. So a lot of components are there. No, if you want to give the name, otherwise other usage, just I give some 10 words. Okay, just I give 10 words per application. How many hours? Maybe just using 1 hour. Okay. If you want any other application, you can use this also. Okay. So now the just randomly I give this all the components. What are the components available? Based on you give the values and give the power. How many hours you are using? Just you can give. Next, hourly distribution. Okay. Now we go for lamps. How many hours you are using? Lamps we are using 6 hours per day. Okay. Lamps we are using 6 hours. The 6 hours also which time you are using. Okay. This which time you are using. Okay. So for example, you are using, most probably you are using night times, no, lamps. So now 1 hour, next 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour. Okay, 6 hours. Which time you are using? Okay. Already we analyze the radiation from the sun path particular place. Now we describe the consumption, how much consumption per year we are using each component. Okay. Next we go for TV under 6 hour per day. This also TV under 6 hour day. So 1 hour, 2 hour, TV or mobile 1, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So each box contain 0.5 hours. If you want to delete this one, just click the right click. If you click the right click, it will be deleted. If you want to add, this is left click. Okay. TV, PC, mobile. Next, air condition. Air condition 10 hours I told, no. Air condition most probably in Muscat and all, it's running more, no. So based on your time usage, you can choose. So based on your choose the timing, it will be show the hourly profile. Okay, how much hourly consumption in kilowatts it will be show here. Okay. So 10 hours, 9 hours now. So totally 10 hours. Okay. Okay, this can choose fridge. Already we told, no, 24 hours. Fridge always we are using, no. That's why 24 hours. Next, decent cloth. Decent cloth. How much? 0.5 we are using, no, 0.5. Okay, just so eliminate. So averagely, I'm telling here average per day. Normally 2 days once we are using, most probably. That's why average per day 0.5 like that I'm giving here. If you want to change, you can change it here also. Next, any other appliances, other usage, just click this cursor. Any other user, it will become here other usage only 1 hour per day. So just which time, just 1 hour per day, which time you are using other applicant, we consider as morning times. Yes, 1 hour. Okay. Now we give all the, so now you see all the things will be comes okay. Okay. All the things comes okay. Now these are the application appliance we are using. These are this much power consume. This is the daily use. Okay. Next we give okay. Okay. So we are, so the orientation finish. Next user needs finish. Next to go for the system. So now only we go for the system. In the system already told, no, what are the system we need to design a PV syst. To design a PV syst, yes. We are designing a PV syst, our own system, own house. Okay. So solar panel we need, solar charge controller we need, battery we need, inverter we need. Okay. So first we choose the place. Muscat, some place we choose. Next we choose the in our home how much electrical consumption is that we choose. Next we go for the battery, solar panel, inverter and controller. Okay, so we will design. Okay, system. Now we go for the system. So if you want, you can save it. So finish, just to save the file. So the entire data will be saved here. If you check here, so what is the next step? It will be show here. So please define the system. Okay, now we define the system. Okay, now define the system. First storage, battery. Okay, first battery. If you see here, what are the major companies batteries are available here? If you check, what are the major companies of batteries are available? Okay, what are the major company batteries are available? Just I'm choosing this one, generic, lead add, all technology, or lithium ion. So which one you want, you can choose. Okay, so you see the top battery voltage 48 voltage, suggested capacity is the suggested capacity based on your consumption. No? So 1386 Ah, this much battery you want. Suggested PV power, so 3616 watt power. Okay, the WP, that this much you want. Okay, so first we go for the battery. So battery suggested capacity is 1386 Ah capacity. Okay, so similar we choose the battery here. So here 12 volt batteries are there. So 160H, no problem, anything you can choose. So based on the battery, the number of battery will become. So I choose this 12 volt battery, 160 Ah. If you want some other battery, change the company. You can choose Decoy, Electrona, Exit battery. Okay. So you can choose any battery, and based on this one, how many battery you want. Okay. So 4 battery in series, 9 battery in parallel. So totally number of 36 battery we want. That will be show automatically for this consumption. Automatically it will be show here. Okay. Next. Next go for, now we finish this one. Please choose the PV model. Okay, meaning we finish the storage. So please choose the PV model. Next we go for the PV array. Next we go for the PV array. So PV array we see already the PV array is tilde position is 25 degree. Next we go for the select the PV model. PV model, if you want all model, go all model. Otherwise available now, available last year. Otherwise check in Oman. What are the dealership available in Oman? Based on also you can choose in. Okay, you can choose a lot of all models. I'm using any model you can use. Lot of models are there. Still lot every day new panel designs are coming. New companies are coming. Particularly in Oman also, lot of solar based design projects are going on. Okay, next after finish this class, Kirti will explain the current solar projects and developments, these things. Next, I choose some of the solar panel here. Maybe these are the design is there. Just I choose Bharat Electronics. Okay, these and all famous in India. Bharat Electronics, Bell, JA Solar, these and all famous in India. You can choose any device also. Bharat Electronics I'm choosing. So here this is 160 watts. So this one you can choose anything based on your value. It will be show number of how much panel you want, and all it automatically will be shown. Okay, just I can choose this 150. Okay, 150 28 volt. This one. If you want to see the details about, if you want to see the details, just click the open. Just click the open. Already the solar panel design already Dr. Keith explained, short circuit current, maximum power point. So this related to which solar panel you choose here. So related to all details will show here. Okay, that also you can check. Okay, so next we choose this one. Next, similar the storage also, if you check this one, you check, just click the open. So related to the battery, all details will be shown. Okay. Next, PV array. Now we choose the solar panel. Next we go for the Yes, select the controller. Go for the controller. I'm going for MPPT control. Which controller we are using? Already Dr. Kirti also explained what are the controller, no, to controller device. Okay, to charge controller. That also we can choose. It's automatically coming. Okay, it's automatically choose. Universal controller means it will become. Otherwise, if you want to choose particular things, you remove this one, it will become. But we can use the university controller. No problem. So all details will be choose. Suppose any error is, any mismatch is there, some error message shown here, error message will be shown here. So based on that, we will change. And for example, here you are using some battery, it's not match with your design. Very low voltage battery or very low, that is a WP value battery you are choosing, for solar panel you are using. Battery, very low voltage battery you are choosing. Okay, your parameters is very less, automatically show the error in red in that line in wording. Okay, wording it shows this is the error, like that the message will be show here. Okay, next we so the PV array backup is nothing but if you want to really backup, so generator backup, you want generator backup setup, you can choose the generator, otherwise no need. Okay, so simplified sketch. Okay, this is the connection diagram how it will be designed. Okay, so our for this design, our aim is to storage and PV array. We choose all the things. So this PV array we are choosing, storage we are choosing. Next, click OK. Okay. System. Now you see system is make it green. Next, detail losses. Detail losses also automatically it will be calculate. We want some particular losses we will do. Otherwise, no need. It automatically deducted. Next, this is optional. This is the main parameters. You must give these parameters. You must give this main parameters, but no, this optional. This optional, if you want, you can give. For example, no, yesterday we discussed about the shading. Okay, in solar panel, no, what are the problems in the solar panel? Shading is the problem. Using the components is problem. As far as the solar panel, no, maximum 25 to 30 years only lifetime. But still, after 30 years also, we are using solar panels, no problem. But no, that radiation's value, that efficiency will be go down. Okay, but up to 25 to 30 years, that efficiency is good. Okay, shading. Another thing, shading is nothing but you fix the solar panel in particular place. Yesterday also you discussed particular place. Some shadings are there. So shading is more, the losses is more. If you want to describe the shading, okay, really you have the particular home. In that nearby home, you have a lot of trees. Means we cannot cut the tree. Sometimes you like the trees, you cannot cut the tree. At that time, you consider the shading also. At that period, you go to shadings and here I give the no shading. Here I give no shading and give the values. If you want to consider the shading, just to go to linear shading according to module stick, just you can add the shading or add the shadings and calculate it. Okay, that place. Next, horizon. Horizon is nothing but, so we are using that particular place now. So that place, how much temperature and how much the tilt, based on tilt angle, this graph also coming. Okay, this is automatically coming. So our aim is orientation. First we choose the place, Muscat, which place you want. Next, how much energy consume, what is the tilt of the solar panel. Next, user needs how much energy consume. Next, the system, choose the battery, choose the PV array, choose the controller. Okay, finish. Okay, now we go for the simulation. Before that, save. Okay, save, run simulation. Run simulation. The simulation is running. Okay, simulation is running. So you click the report. You click the report. Automatically you get the report. You zoom it if you get an idea. So we are choosing the project name, Muscat standalone, which place, geographical site, okay, country, that the country, that place, which based on the map, it will be taken. Okay, so the data will be taken from 1988 to 1991. So past 10 years data taken. Based on that, they are design. They will design. Okay. So simulation data. So what is the tilt angle? Daily household, how much user needs. So what is the PV array characteristics? How much, which brand? how much how much PV model you want. Okay, so this all the value will be shown. Next, battery, how much AH battery you want. Okay, the voltage ranging. So this all the value will be shown here. So that as well as these are the daily householding consumers. Okay, that details also is coming. Next, go for the second one. Next, go for the third one. Okay, so what are the design we made? Based on, you will get a entire report. Okay, if you really want to design particular place, just design and choose the proper component and take the report. Based on, you purchase the product and design. Okay. Next, these are the normally product installed. Okay, this is the performance ratio, and as well as balance and main results for the every year. No, already we are discussing January, February up to December. That is radiation's value. That is how much load we are consuming. So this all the details will be shown as a report. Okay. So in that simulation part now, which area, what is the battery you are choosing, what is the PV array model you are choosing, what is the loss factor, how much consumption, the components names, as well as your consuming energy, based on your consumption and based on your load, you will get a data. Okay, so all data will be obtained. Just to go this one I share in the group. Just you go through the data, so you get some ideas. Okay, any other questions from your side? Okay, next, doctor.
Okay, time is 10:50.
Okay,
shall I start?
Doctor, do you want to explain anything regarding the based on report?
A report, a simple report model we will upload. You told now you have got some models. We'll get from some senior students. We will upload a model. A simple report will do. Okay, what are all the things you studied, how it was useful to you, like that. Okay, because that week we don't have more questions for assignment. Only one class we have planned to take on illumination. We have planned to take on illumination. So Soumya ma'am will take one lecture hour. Okay. So better to submit a report of consolidated these many weeks what we have taught you: fax devices, machine design, photovoltaic systems, illumination system, and what are all the software on electrical principles taught by Soumya madam. Add all these three and submit a report. Okay. Well, sir, shall I go to slides?
Doctor, you want to explain anything regarding this design? This design and this report, this standalone report?
Everything fine. Everything fine. Okay. You explained everything very clearly. All